Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can adjust voiceover settings quickly with quick settings on the iPhone 14 series running iOS 16. Now before you can open up voiceover quick settings, make sure that voiceover is already switched on. Once it is turned on, you can use two fingers and quadruple tap on your screen to quickly open up the voice quick settings. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will open up voiceover settings. In here, you'll be able to turn on or turn off the voiceover settings, so you can quickly access any of this. Now if you need to swipe up, you can use 3 fingers and then swipe up like that to move up and down on the menu. So what do we have first? We've got activities. You can turn off or you can choose programming. We have always speak notifications.
Always speak notifications off. On.
You can double tap on it to toggle between on and off.
Off.
We got audio ducking.
Audio ducking on.
We got braille alert messages.
Braille alert messages on.
We got braille auto advance.
Braille auto advance 5S. Braille auto advance.
And in here you can readjust your time.
Voice.
You got braille input.
Braille input. Braille input.
And here you can choose uncontracted, 6-dot braille, uncontracted, 8-dot braille, and contracted braille. You can choose braille output.
Heading. Braille output. Braille output. Heading. VoiceOver set.
You can choose braille tables.
Braille tables. Braille tables. Heading.
So at the moment it has the default. If you add in more braille tables, then more will becomes available in here. You got caption panel.
Settings. Heading. Caption panel. Rows 1 to 24 of 28.
We got direct touch.
Direct touch.
Hardware typing feedback.
Hardware typing feedback. Characters and words. Button. Hardware typing
Characters,
feedback.
words,
Heading.
characters and words, and nothing.
Voice.
We got hints.
VoiceOver settings. Heading. Braille auto advance.
So we got hints.
Hints on.
Language.
Language.
And here you can choose which language to use.
Voice.
You got large cursor.
Off.
Media descriptions.
Off.
We got navigate images.
Navigate images.
Always with descriptions or never.
Voice.
We've got phonetic feedback.
Phonetic feedback.
Pitch change.
On.
Punctuation.
Off.
Send to HDMI. Slide to type.
Slide to type. On.
Software typing feedback.
Characters in rows 1
Then you
to
got
28.
sounds.
Sounds.
Speak rotor confirmation.
On.
You got speaking rate.
51%.
Typing style.
Standard typing.
And you
Volume.
have the volume.
80%. Button. Adjust. Done.
And you can just tap on the done button to close it.
Double tap to open.
Now if you want to, if some features is not showing up on the menu, you can go into settings and turn on.
Settings.
So in here, in the accessibility voiceover, we go down to quick settings.
Settings. Select.
And here you can choose which features to turn on. If some of the features that you are wanting to use and it's not in here, you can go in here and turn it on by tapping on the checkbox to turn it on or turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.